Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an extreme important video for all of you who is using our Spark Algo trading indicator. So today we are all know how to use our powerful indicator in Spark Algo. Okay. Now I will show you how to update our Spark Algo. Once if you are adding our Spark Algo, here if you go to indicator and invite only, our Spark Algo if you have been added, you can see a small icon here, just it shows update. This is called update. So once you start clicking on that, it will say there is an update available. So you have to just update to the latest version. If you are not updating, what will happen is, like, if any problems are there, if any glitches are there, or if any errors are there, you will not able to get the latest update. So as our indicator is been widely being used by all our other people nowadays, so there are like some problems which they are coming up there and asking us to update it. So we have given a small update for targets, stop loss, and all. We are just updating few things. So if for you also to get the same update, you have to just update your indicator like this. Just click on the update and update the to the latest version and update on all charts. So once you click on this, so it will automatically get updated. See, now you can see update available is been removed. So now it is been updated. Okay. Once it is updated, so now you can start using your indicator as usual. So it will be, if my indicator is now updated, so there is nothing now to get updated. So you can just click here. You can see all the settings which is there commonly used. I have given some more updates here and have just updated it. You can just start using it. It's okay. Okay. Now click on OK and start trading. Once you get a signal in index, just go to the option chart, then just wait for the signals, wait for the target, entry and stop loss to be popping out. Once it is popped out, then you can just enter the details. If you are using done or any other, you can, if I use done, so in done, if you are using done, I can input support orders in entry, stop loss and target. So based on that, I keep on moving my targets based on the stop loss is moved. Trading stop loss is moved. After my target, if I wanted to close my trade after my target is hit, even though it can be done. So it is very easy for you peoples. Before only you are getting all the targets, entry and stop loss here itself. So it is very easy for you to trade in this. Okay. So that I think, I hope you have updated your indicator before you start using your next days, I mean today's, I mean Monday. If you're, if you wanted to start using this indicator, just update it. Whoever is been adding today's indicator, it is already being updated for you, so you never need to do update it. The people who are like we have closely around 50 to 55 members who is already using our indicator, so you have to just update it, update the indicator. Thank you so much and have a nice day and happy trade. Bye bye.